Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making pasta salad, and here are the ingredients I'll be using. So let's get started. To make the pasta salad, we'll start by boiling the pasta. So in the pot I already have enough quantity of water boiling in the pot. I'll go ahead now and add some salt, a little amount of salt depending on the quantity of the pasta you are cooking. I'll also be adding a teaspoon of vegetable oil. You can use any oil you want. The oil will help it to not boil over, and also to help the pasta to be in single. Then I'll add the pasta, stir it, cover it, and allow it to cook until soft. In the pack I'm using, it says 9 minutes, but I'm going to cook it for up to 10 minutes for it to be tender enough. And while the pasta or macaroni is cooking, I'll go ahead now and wash all the vegetables I'll be using for the recipe. 10 minutes later, our pasta is done. So I'll take it off from the heat and strain. Take note, I stirred it up to 2 times before these 10 minutes. I'm pouring some cool water on it to stop it from cooking further and also enable it to cool faster. Next, I will start cutting my vegetables. And here I have all the vegetables I'll be using for this salad. You can alternate the vegetables with anyone you have available or anyone you like. So now everything is ready. Let's make the salad. Into my mixing bowl, I'll add the cooked pasta. Please, I'm not using all the pasta. I'm using only about half or 1/3 part of it. That is 3 cups. You can call it 3 cups of the pasta. Then I'll add my purple cabbage. Like I said, use any vegetable you like or anyone you have available. Next, I'll add some cucumbers. I'm not adding the vegetables in any particular order, just anyone that reaches my hand. I have here bell pepper, carrots, kidney beans, sweet corn, some chili pepper. You can also use black pepper. In fact, that's the best for this recipe, but I don't have black pepper, so I'm using only this. Then I'll add some of the parsley leaves which I cut. I'll be using some later. After that, I'll then add my salad dressing. This is a combination of mayonnaise and yogurt. You can use any salad dressing of your choice. You can use only mayonnaise. Then mix everything together. Also add salt according to your taste. For me, I'm not using another salt. The salt I added in the pasta when I was cooking it and the one in the mayonnaise is enough for me. But you can test it and add salt according to your taste. After mixing it very well, I'll then cover it and keep it in the refrigerator for some hours before serving. In fact, that's when the whole deliciousness will sink in. And here we have our yummy, delicious, and mouth-watering pasta salad. The type you cannot see in any restaurant. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.